Hi children, welcome to the session. This is your maths teacher Aruna from our school Vardhasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Children, today we are going to see 7th standard maths. The next second chapter is fractions. So fractions we have learned. What is multiplication of fractions and where we are using multiplication of fractions in our day-to-day life we will see today. See, multiplication of fractions. When two fractions is given, we need to find the product of that, right? So, how to find the product of two fractions we will see. Let A and B, A by B is one of the fraction and C by D be the second fraction. So, to find the product of two fractions, first we are going to multiply the numerator with numerator, which is A into C. Here numerator is A and C. So, the product of this is A into C by the denominator, that is B into D. So, to find two fractions product, we are going to multiply like this. Then we can simplify this and to reduce into the smallest form, then we can give the answer. Okay. So, this is the way to find the product of two fractions. See, product of two fractions equal to product of the numerators and by product of denominators. And where we will use this fractions to find the product, to find the area of the square or rectangular field, we will use to multiply the fractions also. When the length and breadth which is given in fractions, we will use to multiply the length and breadth to find the area of the rectangular field or square field, children. Okay, how to solve these problems we will see now. See, the first problem is 2 by 5 into 35 liter. Okay. Just we will consider that 35 liters of milk is there and I need to buy only 2 by 5 of the part from this 35 liter. Okay. So, out of this 35 liter I need to buy 2 by 5 of the part. So, how much the 2 by 5 of the part? So, that we are going to find here. So, 2 by 5 into 35. See, 35 is a whole number. We can consider as a fraction also by taking denominator as 1. Now, we can cancel this numerator and denominator number with the same number. Okay. So, both are the multiples of 5 table. So, I am going to use 5. 1 time is 5. How many 5s in 35? 5 7s are. So, now we have simplified the fractions, then it will be easy for us to calculate the answer like numerator into numerator. So, 2 into 7 by 1 into 1 in the denominator. Multiply this 2 7s are, what 2 7s are? 2 7s are 14 by 1 into 1, 1 1s are 1. So, 14 by 1, 14 by 1 how we can express? We can write like 14. So, the question is which is given in liter. So, 2 by 5 of 35 liter is 14 liter, children. Is it clear? Likewise, we are going to solve the next problem too, which is given in mixed fraction here. See, 2 1 by 3 into 18 meter. So, in this 18 meter, what is 2 1 by 3 we are going to find. Okay. So, first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper. Right. So, to convert this we are going to multiply the denominator with the whole number. So, what is the product of this 3 and 2? 3 2s are 6 and we are going to add this product with the numerator. So, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So, 7 by 3 into 18. So, 18 we can consider as 18 by 1. Okay, now reduce this into the simplest form. 18 and 3 both have the common factor in 3 table, right? So, we can cancel this using 3 table. 3 1s are 3 and how many 3s in this 18? 3 6 are, 6 times we can get 18. So, 3 6 are 18. Now, just write the answer 7 into 6 in the numerator by 1 into 1 in the denominator. Multiply this 7 into 6. What 7 6 are? 7 6 are 42. Very good. By 1 into 1. 1 1s are 1. So, the answer 42 by 1 we can express as 42. See, we find the question for 2 1 by 3 of 18 meter. So, in 18 meter, what is 2 1 by 3? Which is 42 meter. So, which we can find in our day-to-day life too, like this children. Okay. The next problem, 5 by 6 into 36 by 25 into 2 by 3. We are going to evaluate this and we are going to find the answer. So, the first step, we will write the numerators, which is 5 into 36 into 2 by the denominators are 6 into 25 into 3. Now, 36 and 6, which is in the numerator and denominator, have a common factor in 6 table, is it? So, we can cancel these two numbers. How many times you can cancel this 6? In 6 table, 1 time. And how many 6 are there in 36? How many times, Vignesh? In 6 table, how many times you can get 6? Yes, 6 are 36. Very good. Yes, Deepak, tell me, in 5 and 25, we can use 5 table now. How many times we can cancel this? Yes, 5 1 time and this 25. In 5 table, it is 5 time. Okay. Now, we can write the remaining numbers 1 into 6 into 2 by 1 into 5 into 3. Again, any other common numbers are there to simplify in this? Yes, 3 and 6 have the common factor of 3. So, we can cancel in 3 table. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So, apart from this, there is no common numbers to cancel, right? So, we can multiply the numerator and denominator. See, 1 into 2. What 1 2s are? 2. 2 2s are 4. So, the answer is 4 in the numerator by 1 into 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So, the answer is 4 by 5. Is it clear how to evaluate when the 3 fractions which is given to find the product also? The next problem is to evaluate 2 fractions which is given in mixed fraction, children. So, we know how to convert this mixed fractions into improper also. So, first we are going to find the product of this 2 and the product with the numerator we will add. Okay. Find the product. 6 5s are. What is 6 5s are? 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 5. 30 plus 5. 35 by 6 into, convert this to 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 by 7. Now, we will change this into the simplest form, then we can find the product of the fractions. For 7 and 35, there is a common factor, right? So, how many times we can cancel this? 1 time. How many 7 in 35? 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now, 15 and 6 have the common factor in which table? In 3 table. Yes, very good. So, cancel this. How many 3s in this 6? 3 2s are 6, 2. How many 3 in this 15? 3 5s are 15. Very good. Now, 5 into 5 by 2 into 1. Now, find the product. 5 5s are 25 by 2 1s are 2. 25 by 2 is a improper fraction. So, we can convert this into mixed fraction. See, 25 divided by 2. How many times you can divide this 2 into 1 time? 2 1s are 2. Remainder will be 0. The next number is 5. How many 2s are there in this 5? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 is greater than this 5. So, we can't take 3 times. So, how many times we are going to take? 2 times. So, first we need to write in the quotient. 2 2s are 4. What is the remaining now? 5 minus 4. The answer remaining is 1. So, remainder is 1 and quotient is 12. So, how to write this in the whole number place? First we are going to write the quotient, which is 12, and here numerator is remainder we need to write. So, the remainder is 1 by the divisor is 2. So, 25 by 2 we can change and write as a mixed fraction 12 1 by 2. Is it clear? The next problem to evaluate is, see, so far we have seen how to find the product of 2 fractions or 3 fractions, but in this they have given difference as well as the product also in this fractions. So, first what we are going to do is, we need to solve the fraction which is given in the bracket, children, first. So, we will find the difference of this 2. So, first in the denominator, if it is both denominators are same, it will be easy for us to find the difference using the numerator numbers, right? But here the denominator is 9 and 27. So, 9 and 27, here 9 is the multiple of 27. See how many times 9 is the multiple of 27? 9 3s are 27, right? So, I am going to multiply this 7 by 9 into 3. If denominator is multiplied with 3, numerator also we need to multiply by 3, minus 5 by 27. See why we did like this? The product of 9 into 3 will be 27, then the denominators will be same. Then we can subtract the numerators into the next number. See here 3 is also the multiple of 18. How many times with the 3 you will multiply? You will get 18. 6 times. 1 by 3 into 3 6 are 18. So, multiply with the numerator also 6 minus 5 by 18. Now, find the product. 7 3s are 21 by 9 3s are 27 minus 5 by 27 into 1 6 are. What is 1 6 are? 6 by 3 6 are 18 minus 5 by 18. See both the denominators are same now. So, we can take as a LCM as 27, numerator is 21 minus 5 into, again here 18 is the LCM, both are same now. We can take the numerator 6 minus 5. Now, subtract 21 minus 5. What is 21 minus 5? 21, 5 we need to subtract. Get borrow from this 2. So, 2 will become as 1 and here 1 is 11. 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? 6 and 1 will be same. So, answer is 16. So, the next step is 16 by 27 into 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? 6 minus 5 is 1 by 18. 1 by 18. Now, we can simplify this 2 fractions. We got as a product of 2 fractions now, right? Simplify this 16 and 18. 16 and 18 in which table you can simplify? In 2 table. Very good, children. So, 2 8s are 16 and how many times 18? 2? Yes, very good, 9. So, numerator is 8 into 1 by denominator is 27 into 9. Multiply the numerator, 8 ones are 8 by 27 into 9. Find the product of that 27 into 9. 9 sevens are 63. Very good. 3 and 6 is the remainder. Then 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 is 24. So, the answer is 243. So, the denominator is 243. Is it clear how to solve when the fractions which is given in both subtraction as well as multiplication, children? One more example we will see how to evaluate the fractions which is given in, see in bracket they have given the product symbol, in between both these brackets they have given the difference. So, in this model I will solve you one problem this. See, we know how to solve these two fractions, product of two fraction, right? We will make this into the simplest form, then we can find the product, okay. So, 6 by 25 into 50 by 24 minus 5 by 9 into 1 by 25. See, 6 and 24 have a common factor in 4 table, right? So, how many times we can cancel? 6 ones are 6 and 24 is 6 fours are, yes, and 25 and 50 you can cancel in 5 table as well as 25 table also, yes, 25 one time and here 25 will be 2 time, 25 twos are 50, very good children. Now, in this how to solve 5 and 25? Yes, 5 ones are, and this how many times? 5 times, 5 fives are 25. So, we have make in the simplest form. Now, we can multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 into 2, 1 twos are 2 by, the denominator is 1 into 4, 1 fours are 4 minus, here 1 ones are 1 by 9 into 5. What is 9 fives are? 9 fives are 45. Very good. See, here this numerator and denominator have a common factor in 2 table, right? So, we can cancel this, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Okay. So, the number is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 45. Okay. Now, in between these two fractions, we need to find the difference, right? So, we can take cross multiplication here. So, cross multiplication is nothing but first we are going to multiply this. First step 45 into 1. What is 45 ones are? 45 minus the second step what we are going to take? 2 into this 1. So, 2 ones are 2 by the denominator product of this 2. 2 into 45. What is 45 into 2? 2 fives are 10. 0, remaining is 1. And 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So, the answer is 90. Yes. So, denominator is 90. What is 45 minus 2? 45 minus 2 is? Yes, 43 by 90. Is it clear how to solve the fractions if they have given two operations, which is subtraction and multiplication also, children? See, using these problems you can solve the problems which is given in the exercise also. See, there is a study material for you which is given in the description box. See, in study material the exercise what we have seen in this session with question and answer, we have given the study material for you, and make use of this. See, question bank is nothing but, in this question bank we only given the questions and few problems only I taught you, right? So, the remaining problems you can solve by yourself and check your answer using the study material, children. See, after finishing your question bank, there is a self assessment for you. Okay. So, in this particular exercise we have given the self assessment question paper for you to evaluate by yourself. Okay. So, after you are writing this self assessment, take a photocopy and send to our school WhatsApp number, children. Okay. So, make use of this subject material, question bank and self assessment which is attached in the description box. Thank you, children.
I am a participator of national level chess tournament held at KS